Hello and welcome to Jackie's Kitchen. My name is Jacqueline Njala. If you're new in Jackie's Kitchen, you're most welcome. We hope that you will like this video, subscribe and come back for more, because it is in Jackie's Kitchen where we make cooking interesting by simplifying even the most complex of recipes so that you can enjoy your home cooking. So last video we started a pizza recipe where we did the pizza dough, and as promised in this video we'll be finishing up with the pizza. That is, we'll deal with the pizza toppings until where pizza is ready for serving. If you have not watched my previous video, that is pizza part 1, kindly watch. I'll share the link in the description. Watch part 1 so that you can proceed with part 2, but you can still watch part 2 then go back to part 1. You'll still get the information anyway. So welcome. So this is where we were at part 1, and from this sheet where we already spread on the pan, I'm going to use a fork to poke these holes. This will help with steam, and it will prevent our pizza from bubbling off. I'll then apply oil on this dough to make a very nice crust. At the same time, our pizza will not be soggy because we'll be using some wet toppings so that they don't soak up the dough. So for the toppings, I have green bell peppers. I'll be using 2 types of cheese. I'll also have mushroom. I'll need onions and red sauce. I'm doing red pizza, so I'll need the red sauce, and finally the chicken. So for the chicken, this is how it looks like once done, and I started off with the 2 breasts. So with the ingredients I've shown you, what we are making is a creamy chicken mushroom pizza. So I'm going to saute until this garlic is fragrant, then I'll add the chicken. We'll season this with the salt and white pepper. Don't add too much salt, because in the end we're going to add soy sauce, which has salt. Cover and let cook for about 10 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, add a tablespoon of soy sauce and let it dry up completely. For the red pizza sauce, I'll use tomato paste, which I'll add water about half a cup. Stir that into light paste, or rather a solution. In this solution, I'll add a pinch of salt and balance it with a teaspoon of sugar, the normal regular sugar. I'll also add oregano leaves, but that is totally optional. You can leave it out. But for me, I love the twist that it gives the sauce. I'll let this simmer and reduce to thicken nicely into this paste that we're now using. For the cheese, we are only going to grate these 2. So to assemble our dish, we start by spreading the red pizza sauce on the dough. Spread it completely. This will be followed by cheddar cheese. You can also use pizza cheese. I only had mozzarella and cheddar cheese, and I think they're just okay. I'm going to alternate the rest of the toppings, that is the green bell peppers, the mushrooms and onions, as well as the chicken, and in no order at all. This is not written on any book. Just create a beautiful pattern. Just make sure each one of them is it's everywhere, they're evenly distributed, and that's basically it. There is no pattern as to why, I don't know, you should add chicken first before onion, blah blah blah. We'll finish this up with the cheese, the last cheese being mozzarella, because it has that characteristic of a stretching. Yeah, you know, the one that we associate with pizza, that is because of mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to add mozzarella cheese at the end completely. As we stare at this beautiful piece, kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and you can also share with your friends and ask them to subscribe. I'm not going to add anything else, just look at it and be the judge. If you like what you see, you can always make your own pizza. I have shared my recipe, so go try it out, guys, and just enjoy your meals at home.